This video presents the so-called State Decent Work Check database. It helps workers to find their way through the legal systems of federal countries. Some help is needed because federal countries are complex. They have several levels of governance. The State Decent Work Check summarizes labor laws by various provincial governments. The COVID-19 pandemic has made working much harder by restricting the movement of people. But Wage Indicator could stay committed toward its goal of ensuring that workers get to know their rights. Because Wage Indicator was and is basically a global online operation, we persevered and released one of our flagship projects when the pandemic broke out, the Labor Rights Index. This project compares labor laws from by now 115 countries. Going ahead, we decided to build on the already existing Decent Work Check database of the Labor Rights Index. While comparing laws at the national level, we found many federal countries with local legislations that differ from laws at the overall level. For the federal state of India, this meant that we had to focus on labor laws made by provincial governments. Only then would we provide a picture for the country as a whole. Under the guidance of the legal staff from Wage Indicator Islamabad Center, we students from Flame University Pune took off. In a few months only, the team saw fit to compile comprehensive labor law reports for 8 Indian states. Federal India is composed of many states. The team selected the Indian states with the highest contribution to the overall gross domestic product to begin with. Among other things, the Decent Work Check informs workers about the legal working hours, deadlines of their paychecks, the holidays they are entitled to, as well as the right to unionize and negotiate better deals. The State Decent Work Check project sharpened our research skills. Wading through the legalese, we have become close readers and efficient communicators. For many, the project has become a great entry point into the legal profession. Last but not the least, our Indian Decent Work Check shows the way to similar research projects in other federal countries. Please check our work at Paycheck India.